Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing you about my dormitory cooking recipe. That is how to make a simple and delicious braised pork belly. The ingredients are ginger, garlic, potato, eggplants, zucchini, carrots, and of course, the pork belly. First, chop all the ingredients into chunks or cut them into small portions. Really depends on how you prefer to eat them. Personally, I suggest chopping them into chunks will make the taste even more satisfying. The seasonings are including brown sugar, chili oil, sticky chili bean sauce, cooking wine, salt, and soy sauce. Okay, let's get started. To make the dish smells awesome, we need to stir fry the ginger and garlic at the beginning, which can give the meat that we will put in later on a bit more flavor. Now we need to cook the pork belly with ginger and garlic together. Well, you may ask how long it's going to take. Actually, it is better to add the soy sauce in after the pork belly turns into golden brown color. Alright, now you can add some soy sauce, hot water, and chili oil. The order of adding vegetables into the pot depends on the type of vegetables. In general, we always cook the root vegetables before the leaf vegetables. Now we add some sticky chili bean sauce to make it a bit more layers of flavor. Continuously, we put the potatoes into the pot. We put the lid on and cook in high heat for 20 minutes. Add some wine to make the meat more tender and also to improve the taste. Continuously, we add the zucchinis into the pot. And then give it a bit stirs. And finally add the eggplants into the pot because it is soft and very easy to cook. Keep stirring to make it cook evenly. Now turn the heat down to low. Seasoning with some black pepper and some white pepper as well. Keep stirring. Meanwhile, you can try how it tastes. If you like stronger taste, you may add some salt in or seasoning with some soy sauce. Now turn the heat up to high to cook until all the gravy to be well absorbed. Finally, garnish with some chopped green onion. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will create more dormitory cooking recipe and upload more of my cooking videos very soon. See you next time. Bye!